Facts about the stock market. These facts are so surprising and interesting that it will literally blow you away. At least it did for me. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. Here comes the first fact about the stock market. In 2008, the United States has about 32% of the whole world stock market by market capitalization. In 2016, the United States stock market has increased to 37% of the whole world stock market. And in 2018, the United States stock market increased to 40%. And the most recent data in 2020, the US stock market is at about 55% of the whole world market. I mean the whole world stock market. And on the second place, Japan has about 8% of the whole world stock market from 2008 up to 2020. That's one of the many reasons why I only buy US stocks. Smash the like button. Here comes the second fact about the stock market. The stock market is automated. 80% of the stock market is automated, and the biggest electronic stock market is Nasdaq. Any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. Here comes the third facts about the stock market. So September is the worst month to invest in. It is also called the September effect because no matter what happens, any kind of market events or news or something, it is just the worst month to invest in. So on average, during this month, the S&P 500 declines about 0.5%. And that happens since 1950. On top of that, the September effect happens worldwide, not only in the US market. There are many explanations to that, but one of them is that many investors just take vacation time during September. Here comes the fourth fact about the stock market. About 50% of the Americans are invested into the stock market in some way, either directly into individual stocks or also in ETFs or in 401k plans. Besides, the average amount of investment is at about $50,000 US. And the average holding period is about 7 months. My question for you is, what is your favorite stock so far? Comment in the video description below. Here comes the fifth facts about the stock market. The richest 1% owns about 90% of the stock market. That's why during this world crisis 2020, the richest gained $1 trillion US. Here comes the sixth facts about the stock market. 90% of hedge funds cannot outperform the stock market within a time span of 10 years. Seventh facts about the stock market. The largest sector in the US stock market is the technology sector, which contains or consists of, for example, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook, Intel, AMD, Nvidia, etc. The technology sector is 25% of the whole US stock market. And another fun fact is that the whole technology sector is worth more than the entire European stock market. Subscribe and see you next time.